Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Frakta storage bag is probably one of the most iconic and versatile storage solutions you can find. From moving day to laundry day, this bag has become a staple in homes around the world. But is it really as good as everyone says? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Frakta bag, exploring its design, durability, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right storage solution for you. Number 5. ClearSpace Heavy-Duty Moving Bags, 6-pack. These ClearSpace bags offer a generous 86-liter capacity, perfect for storing a wide range of items. It's a great alternative to bulky moving boxes, especially for college students moving into dorms. Equipped with long carry handles and side handles, this bag provides stability and easy transport. When not in use, it folds flat, saving space in your closet or under the bed. Made from woven polypropylene fabric, this bag is built to last. It's reinforced to securely hold your belongings, ensuring durability during transport or storage. This bag is designed for versatility, perfect for transporting and organizing various items. From clothing to toys, you can rely on it to keep your belongings in order. This bag is meticulously crafted to meet your highest expectations. Unlike traditional packing boxes, it can be easily folded and stored. It's a practical choice for anyone on the move. What we like? This bag offers a remarkable 86 liters of space, perfect for storing a wide range of items. It's made from strong, woven polypropylene fabric, ensuring your belongings are safe. If you're looking for a convenient and organized solution for moving or decluttering, this is the one for you. What people say. The bag is large and can hold a lot. It is sturdy and can be used to store many things. The handles are strong. Number 4. Heavy-Duty Extra-Large Storage Bag. Need to store a lot? This extra-large storage bag is your solution. It measures 45 by 22 by 16 inches and can hold up to 100 pounds. Made from tear-resistant and water-resistant woven cloth, this bag is built to last. The zippers make it easy to access your items. This bag is perfect for various storage needs. Use it for clothes, moving, travel, or storing blankets and camping gear. Don't worry about spills or dust. This bag is dust-resistant and waterproof. Simply rinse it with water and let it dry. We are confident you'll love this storage bag. If you're not satisfied, return it within 90 days for a full refund. No questions asked. What we like? This bag is made of durable polypropylene woven cloth and can hold up to 100 pounds. It's also dust-resistant and waterproof, making it easy to clean. If you need a reliable and easy-to-maintain storage solution for various items, consider this. What people say. The bag is large and can hold a lot. It is great for storage and moving things. It is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. Number 3. Fygrip Extra Heavy-Duty Moving Bags. These bags are made of upgraded, extra-thick coated PE fabric. They feature fully wrapped handles, a strong zipper, and reinforced stitching. This design ensures it can safely hold over 65 pounds. Sized at 29L x 14W x 13H, this bag offers over 23 gallons of volume. It's perfect for college students moving their belongings. Forget the hassle of assembling and unpacking boxes. The bags have a wide-open zipper design, making it easy to pack large items. They also fold up easily for convenient storage when not in use. Equipped with wide webbing handles, it makes carrying by hand or on the shoulder more comfortable. This design helps relieve the burden, providing a better user experience. These sturdy bags are puncture-free and waterproof. They can easily withstand the rigors of moving, camping, travel, and closet organization. It's a reliable choice for various storage needs. What we like? Made with extra-thick coated PE fabric, this bag promises to safely hold over 65 pounds. It features a wide-open zipper design for easy packing and can be easily folded for storage. If you're a college student or someone who moves frequently, this is a great choice. What people say. The bag is very large and can hold a lot of stuff. It is great for storing seasonal items such as holiday decorations or extra bedding. The handles are sturdy and make it easy to carry, even when the bag is full. Number 2. XL Blue Moving Bags, compatible with IKEA Frakta Cart, 4 packs. Tired of bulky boxes? These moving bags are a great alternative for medium and large items. They are perfect for various storage needs, offering a convenient solution for your belongings. Made from durable, waterproof 200 GSM coated polypropylene, this bag is built to last. It can safely hold up to 45 to 50 pounds, ensuring your items are well protected during transport or storage. This bag offers multiple ways to carry it. It features sturdy handles and a shoulder strap, allowing you to carry it like a backpack. This makes it easy to transport, even when it's fully loaded. The bag features a top-grade zipper that extends down the side for easy loading. Double-lined seams enhance its loading capacity. This design ensures that the bag can handle heavy loads without issue. This bag is perfect for moving to a college dorm or a new home. It's also great for storing clothes, blankets, and more. You can even use it as a backpack for road trips or travel. What we like? This bag is made from durable 200 GSM coated polypropylene and can hold up to 60 pounds. It comes with carrying handles and shoulder straps, making it easy to carry. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-carry moving solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These bags can hold a lot of items, are incredibly sturdy, and have a strong zipper. These moving bags are very nice quality, high storage capacity and fully functional. The large bags hold a lot of clothes, and the straps make them easy to carry. They are durable and are worth buying, better than boxes. Number 1. Sweet Dolphin Extra Large Moving Bags. These extra large bags can hold up to 65 pounds. They are perfect for storing a lot of items. It's a great solution for college students. These bags are easy to use and provide plenty of room to store and protect your belongings. They are a lightweight and economical alternative to moving boxes. You can easily move around with them. The bags feature upgraded wide webbing to reduce stress on your hands. The sewing process has been improved to prevent breakage and punctures. The zippers have been reinforced for durability. They are also foldable, so they can be stored flat. You can easily put them away on shelves or anywhere else when not in use. If you need to pack a lot of items, you will be surprised by how much you can fit in these jumbo bags. You get 6 bags, and you'll immediately realize what an awesome buy it is. What we like? This bag provides plenty of room and is a lightweight, economical alternative to moving boxes. It also folds flat for easy storage. If you need to pack a lot of items and want a space-saving solution, you should consider this. What people say. The bag is very large and can hold a lot of stuff. It is great for storing seasonal items such as holiday decorations. The handles are sturdy and make it easy to carry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.